Communication on set is crucial, it's essential, even if you're working with a tight crew. The Solidcom C1 by Hollyland Technology is one of these tools I never thought I would need in my regular work. It helped me be more efficient and quiet on set. Let's check it out. We are going to put a few things out of the way right now, like the general specs. Here is the Solidcom C1 by Hollyland Technology. Now, these systems are common on big sets when a large crew needs to work together and needs to communicate easily. Now, for us small creators, do we need such a tool for our work? Is it worth the investment? I did use it on multiple occasions recently. One during a photo shoot where we had to literally whisper during the session, making it difficult for me to communicate with my team. Personally, the specs I was most interested in was that there is no belt pack or base station to make it work. It has a 350 meters active range. You have 2 batteries provided with each headset that can last 5 to 6 hours each. And it really is easy to use and operate. Even if I'm working with only one assistant, an assistant helping me out with my lighting or filming my behind the scenes video. Usually I can talk loud to catch people's attention, to share my instructions, but sometimes due to budget restrictions, we have to work in locations that are still open to the public. So we have to create and make our images without disturbing the people working around us, without disturbing the public. We had to film a sequence at the lobby of a hotel a few months ago, and the Solidcom C1 really helped us that day. The talent had to come in from outside in the lobby, go straight to the desk and ask for a room. We had to wait until the lobby was empty for each take, and the only way for me to communicate with my assistant and the talent outside the building was with the Solidcom C1. I don't know if you can remember, but last year we made a short film where multiple sequences were filmed from the back of our van. To pull this off, I had to communicate, obviously, with my driver. And to do this, we used our phones with hands-free kits. It was a total nightmare. I couldn't hear anything and we were cut off so many times, which made this operation really difficult. And fast forward to today, to last summer, we did the same thing, but this time with the Solidcom C1, and it worked flawlessly. The sound was crystal clear. The sound of the van and all the noise around didn't bother us. And I was able to communicate live with my driver and tell her what I needed and updated her on the situation in the back while filming. I'm also using the Solidcom C1 when I'm working with a second shooter, whether it's for photography or video. I can communicate directly with that person and tell them where I am, where I will be going, and we will not interfere with one another. At over 1,000 euros here in France. I know it's quite an investment, but when your client is a hotel or a museum or any kind of place that has to stay open to the public while you are working there, their first questions will be: 1, can you come and work with a small crew? And 2, can you work silently without disturbing the people working around you and without disturbing the public? Now I can definitely say yes. And for all those special shots where I know I have to communicate with someone in another room, behind a wall, or my driver placed on the other side of the vehicle, I now know that I can make it work. It definitely solved a few problems for me. Now it's up to you to figure out if it will solve a few problems for you. I'm pretty impressed with the system, its ease of use, and overall build quality. We will see how it performs over time. Quick update, the footage you just saw, that dance video, I just released a teaser on my Instagram, on Vero. If you're on Vero, please join me there, Hey Square. And the final video will be published on Vimeo this Wednesday. I will also share my latest short films on my second YouTube channel. I know you guys are on vacation, so I decided to publish them a little bit later, but if you're in a hurry, they're all available on Vimeo. Summer is almost coming to an end, and it's been a slow month for me, on the blog and on social media overall. But you will soon understand why. And I would like to also announce that I will be giving a workshop in Paris on September 14. Si vous êtes dans le coin, c'est un événement exceptionnel, proposé à un prix assez hallucinant. Je ne suis pas certain que ça se reproduise de sitôt, en tout cas pas dans ces conditions. Toutes les infos sont évidemment présentes dans la description de cette vidéo. Et évidemment, les places sont limitées, alors ne réfléchissez pas trop longtemps. Ouais. And I'm out. Thanks for watching. Really, I hope you enjoyed this one. I will catch you in the next, and until then, please have a good one.